Question 7 part 2 asks you to find BC square. When from 7 part 1 you've already found that AC is equal to 7, it's 4 minus square root 3. So in this situation you have two length, here's this length, and one angle, and you're asked to find one length. When you flip back to your formula sheet at the front of the exam paper, you have first sine rule, second cosine rule, and third area rule, or whatever it's called. For sine rule, can we use it? Not so much, right? Because we must have a pair. Once again, either an angle, and opposite length. So if you're looking at this length from A to C, you need to have the opposite angle over here. In this case, now we don't even have a pair at all. So sine rule can't really work out. Let's look at the second rule, cosine rule. Once again, something a little difficult to explain, but let's say you have A, B, and C. Sorry, I may have labeled, I think I labeled this wrongly, but it's supposed to be 2BC cosine A. I think for 7 part 1 I did make a huge mistake. I'll try to label for annotation. So back to question itself, A square. So since A is the angle, being 60, this must be A. Sorry. This will be small a, and this will be big A, capital A. And then BC can be anything. Back to the point itself, we must have, the question only works, cosine rule only works when you have 3 of these values and 1 of it being the one that you're trying to find out. So if you only have 2 of these values, it doesn't work at all. And it only works in this specific order. So let's see, A, capital letter A, we have it. Small letter C, we have it. Small letter B, we have it. So we have 3 of the values already. So we definitely can find the last unknown A, small letter A. And then area formula. So this cosine rule works. Third rule itself, area. We have area, but we don't have. We would like to find this length, right? We need either have this angle or this angle. But in this case, you don't have it, so nope, you only have cosine. Quickly writing down the formula. Just be careful. There may be more than one formula rule for this. Sometimes you start with C square equals to A square plus B square. So be very, very careful, because I made a small mistake earlier and I had to redo this entire video. BC cosine A. Yep, this is correct. I like to split this out big, so just bear. So A being BC, B small letter B being 4 minus square root 3, small letter C being square root 3 plus B C cosine 60. Just be careful. So one very good way of doing this is just label your triangle out. If not, it's very easy to mix up. Hey, when is it small letter B? When is small letter C? Especially when it comes to B, this part itself. (16) minus 8 squared 3 plus 3. Once again, if I do it too slowly, it will be too boring. So I gotta speed it. So then lastly, part to come to this point itself, cosine 60. I'll just do a quick angle being 30, 45, 60. Cosine 30 will give you square root 3 over 2, square root 2 over 2, and then square root 1 over 2. It'll be the opposite was, yeah, I'm out of space here, but this will be square root 1 over 2. This will be exactly the same, square root 2 over 2. And then for here, it will be square root 3 over 2. With that, cosine 60 will give us square root 1 over 2, which is actually 1 over 2. So I just quickly do this to make sure I don't make many mistakes along the way. So just be careful because there's a minus here. So 2 and half cancel out each other. But it's good to keep the negative sign inside the bracket to avoid any careless mistake. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, so 23 minus inside bracket 20. Inside bracket you get 22. Minus 6. Then minus plus give you minus. So it's minus 9 square root 3. And since you ask you for BC square in itself, you don't need to do anything about this. This is your final answer.